microphone.
I can do this in less than 5 minutes. Three things very briefly. First, CLF thanks Invenergy in general and Mr. Glazer in particular for the alacrity with which they shared today's ISO letter. We're very appreciative. Second, the board will note in the first sentence of the letter that ISO filed this under Section 205 of the Federal Power Act. That's a fact that will become important as we look at the letter later in the hearing. Third, I think it would behoove counsel, and CLF is certainly eager to do this, for counsel for all parties to confer before the EFSB meets again next week. In the event that Invenergy does not of its own volition withdraw its application based on the new information, CLF will certainly ask the board for time for the respective experts to submit supplemental testimony as to the meaning of the letter. The EFSB did that a year ago when Turbine 2 was merely disqualified from the auction. We now have a disqualification of an existing CSO, a step that the ISO has never taken in the 21 years of its existence until now. Counsel, I'm sure, will confer between now and Wednesday, and at least we'll need time to address this in the event that the application is not withdrawn.
Orville joins in CLF's requests.
Note the date and time. I am about to agree with something that Jerry Elmer said. We will confer before Wednesday. We'll try and set the conference call as soon as possible. But I think at a minimum, as we did recently with respect to the need testimony, which was the supplemental materials were filed I think last Friday, as I recall. I think that's probably a very good idea if we do nothing else at all, assuming we decide to go forward. And I think we're not starting need until the 16th, I believe.
We start need on the 16th. If you want to file new testimony, otherwise you can withdraw the need testimony that you filed and file one document that contains all of the testimony.
We'll work that out among ourselves, but again, don't take this as a pattern, but I agree with Mr. Elmer. I think that's a good idea.
Counsel will confer in the interest of judicial economy for all concerned.
Yes, absolutely.